Hi Josie, thank you so much for doing this work for me. I really appreciate it. You have no idea how big of a help you are. So for the next step, I need you to kind of take together a lot of the stuff that we've been doing and help me put them into our organization. So you should have access to the Life Science Organization. You see it right here through Stacy's account. If you don't, let me know and I'll help you with that. So when you come in here, this is where we have all sorts of stuff for our organization. What I need you to do is to come over here to course-related information. And in the course-related information, what I need you to do is update some materials for me. So the first thing we can do is, well, I'll delete these agriculture classes. We don't need them anymore. Agriculture won't be a part of our organization anymore. And what you do is there's always these little down arrows next to stuff, and so if you need to edit something, that's where you'll go to find the menu options you need. And you can see how I'm just deleting these. So what you have here for current biology courses. So the first thing I need you to do is to come in here and you can delete all of the prefixes that are in the brackets. So if you go to drop down menu edit, and you come in here and you just delete this. And then you have just concepts of biology. And then add some words that says click here, because with the new way that Blackboard looks, it doesn't look like there's anywhere to click. Edit. I mean, you want to say click, not click here. You want to say click the course title above to access the course documents. And just hit submit. And so just do that for every single one of these classes down here. And then we can delete this guy because we don't need him anymore. And then we have all of these classes down here as well. So that so you just get everything ordered like that, and put the Bio 100 in the front, please. And you can actually just restructure it so that it says, we can just do it this way, where we do Bio 100. And 100L for the classes that have labs. You'll want to list them in both ways like that. Some of the classes don't have labs, some of them will, and you'll know that based on the syllabi that you've been working on in the curriculum guides. If you only have the one, then just indicate that. So just do that. And the next thing you'll want to do is alphabetize these based on the first letter here. So you'll want to put all the ANATs first, all the bios second, ENBI third, and then we'll do MMBS after that. And then we will have some science ones that we can deal with from there, but we're not there yet. To alphabetize easily, if you come up here to the top, there's this little arrows, and this allows you to easily move classes around, and you can do them all at once, so it shouldn't be too much of an effort there. So once you have that done, then I need you to come in here to the course, and there's a couple different things in here for you. You don't need to worry about these instructor resources, but what I want you to do is come in here to the curriculum guides and make sure that these are loading. If they're not loading, you'll need to go into the OneDrive folder that you have access to. And what you'll do is you'll hit edit, you'll come in here, and you'll need to replace this HTML code that we see here. So what you'll do to do that is you come up here and you go to OneDrive, you sign in, and you'll sign in using, I think, Stacy's credentials. We go through a million sign-in screens because that's how this works. And then we'll go to the curriculum guide folder, which you should have access to because that's where you've been saving everything. And we will find Bio 100, and we're doing Bio 100 lecture. So you'll do Bio 100 CG, click that box, and then it'll come up with a share thing here. And what you want to do, nope, you don't want share, sorry. You want embed. So you'll click the embed code and then click generate, and this is where you'll find that code. So hit Control C to copy it, come back over here, if you hit delete, It'll delete that guy. Click on the HTML code button, brings up this new box, and you just hit Control Paste, and then you hit Update. And so it'll bring this yellow box up. Don't panic, you won't be able to see it here. Underneath that, you'll want to type in, if the file above does not load, click here. And what you'll then want to do is come back over here to the OneDrive folder, close that, and this is when you want to go to the share option. We don't want to allow editing, so unclick that, and you hit Get Link. Hit copy the link, and then you'll highlight click here, and you'll click the link button, and you're going to paste the link in up here. Change the drop down to open in a new window, and hit insert, and now it should look like a hyperlink, and you should be able to hit submit. And you should be all set. And make sure this looks like the one that's in there, and it does, so that looks good. This, you can delete these. They were inputted weird. We just made that link right there. Same thing will go for Bio 100, and then once again, anything with this world, you can just hit delete because you've put that link in below the file. And you'll want to do this for every single one of the classes. Then afterwards, you're going to do the same thing for syllabi templates. So you're going to come in here, and once we get the templates uploaded to the correct, to the folder, because they're not uploading right. So you'll come in here and you'll have, where are we? Syllabi templates. And so you'll find the new template, make sure that it's the one that's been updated. And you'll do the same thing with the embed code and the share code, and make sure that it's reflected here. The one thing you'll note, the one way to make sure you easily check to see if it is that late add procedure. It's something that's right up front that has brand new language in it that I had sent you separately, and so you'll be able to do that. And then once again, if you need to change the embed code for this, you'll need to change the syllabus template link here as well. So to change them, all you would need to do is you can come in here and you can delete this if you're going to change the embed code, but to change the link, if you just need to change that, you would highlight it and you'll see this link pop up, and you say remove link, and it'll remove the link, and then you can put the new one in. And that is the main thing for these ones. Yep, that's all we have here. So you should have the template for the syllabus are in the lab, and B100 I think has 3 templates, because I think B100 has the online template, or 4. It'll have the online lab, online lecture. So you'll want to make sure you get all of those in there. So back here in the course related information, if there's a class that's missing from this list that we have a curriculum guide or something from, which is entirely possible that there's something missing, you'll want to just come up here to the top and you'll build a content folder, and this is where it'll look just like the other one. So you type in the course number, wherever the number, and then you'll do course name and the click link above, and then you hit submit, and it always populates these at the very bottom. So now you'll see this, and you can go ahead and you just click on it. It'll take you into the folder. And this is where you'll build an item, and now it looks just like how you've been editing the current items that are in there. So you just type in, B100 syllabus template, and you'll put that in there. I think that's about it for this first round. If you wouldn't mind doing that, that would be huge help. I appreciate that, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.